Hello guys, welcome back to my new video guys. In today's new welcome video guys, I'm gonna actually show you how to do affiliate marketing on Kicksta, which is this one. Let me go back and click on this one, which is gonna load. So in this Kicksta, let me gonna show you what Kicksta is all about. Kicksta is one of the best Instagram services that you can be able to use to get followers, likers, and etc. So in this video I'm gonna use a Kicksta affiliate program in order to make money online by referring people to purchase this program, so that once they purchase I will get a 50% commission. So first of all guys, if you are new to the channel, which is online hustle white affiliate, I'll actually recommend you to go and subscribe to this channel, so that whenever I drop a new video guys, I will see video that's going to teach you how to make money online using affiliate marketing, crypto, stock, and etc. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So let's move straight to the video without further delay. So if you comment by say we are going to use Kicksta affiliate in order to get paid or to make money using their affiliate program. So if you just want to join the affiliate program, just scroll all the way to the down and exactly look the way they say affiliate. So I think here is the affiliate, just click on it. If you click on the affiliate program, it's going to load up like this. They say to make money with Kicksta. They say whether you are a happy Kicksta customer or a brand new partner looking to spread the word on your software and earn some money, you are in the right place. So just click on where they say sign up. Once you click on sign up, they will gonna provide you the way they say you are gonna put in your email address and link. So for me now, they have just logged me to my account. Let me go back and see where you're gonna need to provide your information. Let me open incognito tab and click on Kicksta affiliate program. So let me just click on this one and load program. So let's click on here. So boom, here the first row here is it. Let's just click on it. So boom, let's click on sign up now. So boom, as you can see, you are gonna need your first name, last name, email, and confirm your password, and click on I'm not a robot and click on agree. Once you fill in all, you're gonna need a website and other social media. You're gonna provide as much value as what they are gonna ask you in order to get approved in Kicksta. So let me go back to my real page. So once you are in Kicksta, they say you have to get approved. So they say your application has been submitted for approval. Will help with you on it within 24 to 48 hours. So now my account is not yet approved, but if they do not approve you, have to contact them via this email, which is samata@kicksta.co only co, and copy it. Just go to your Gmail browser. Once you click on it, let's load up. So while it is loading guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more video below. So once you are in email, you have to go to where they say compose and click on new box. So and here's the email and tell them I need your just put in something like to seek for them. You are begging for their approval to approve your Kicksta affiliate account so that you will start promoting their program, and click on send. Once they see it, they will refer you whether they approve you or not. So once you get approval, you can be able to copy your link in Kicksta affiliate program. So let's move to the next step where we are going to promote it. So let's say this is one of your affiliate links. Let's see this affiliate link. So let's just copy it and copy it in our notepad while it is loading guys. Let me search in notepad and click on it. So So once it open, so control V to paste that link. As you can see, I just paste it. So let's go step by step on exactly how to promote it. So as you can see, Kicksta is one of the growth services, Instagram growth services. So I think its niche is based on Instagram only. So all what we need to do right now is go to Instagram. Oh, sorry guys, let's just go to it. Super tools on Google. Once you search it, it will pop up. Just click on the first link. While it is loading guys. So once it's open, it's gonna look like this, which is healthsupertools.com. Is free and digital and email marketing software for you to be able to find keyword research, to do your own research, question explorer, YouTube SEO, and many stuff. So once you are here, just come to where they said let me find it, SEO. Sorry, it's not this one. Let discovery, this one, where they say Instagram. So discover IPC keyword. Sorry, I don't find it, but I will try my best. Where is it? Sorry, I didn't find it yet. Or you can go to there. Sorry, let's find keyword related. Let's use this one, which is keyword explorer. So boom, as you can see, if you are here, just type in the keyword. Let's see, Kicksta review, and click on I'm not a robot. If you click on I'm not a robot, just click on where it says search. So while it is loading guys, it will just give us the result. Sorry for the delay, please guys. If you get some value, please help us to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this tutorial on exactly how to make money online using free stuff and paid method. So let's get back to our video. So if you are here, as you can see, here is the keyword that we just searched. Here is the monthly search volume and paid complexion and CPC. So here is goal, which is Kicksta review. I get around 2400 search, and the keyword is medium, and the CPC cost per click is around let's find. Sorry guys, it's so yeah, it's 6.44 Kicksta review. Here is it. So what I want you to do right now is to find the low keyword that doesn't rank well. So let's find Kicksta honest review and has no monthly search, low and on YouTube. So we can go there right now and start making a videos about Kicksta review on YouTube, so that we are going to rank on YouTube faster, and putting our affiliate link so that whenever someone search on it and interested in it, so that if we want to purchase, so we can call to action to them, say that by saying that hey, if you want to try a Kicksta, so I drop the link in the description below so that you can make money using once you purchase using your affiliate. Here is the first step. So the second step guys is actually that by posting pins in Pinterest. So you know, Pinterest is one of the biggest platform that actually ranking high affiliate marketers. Like let's let me search of Kicksta review. So let me click on enter. You will see a bunch of posts there where they are talking about Kicksta review. On like this one, he's talking about way grow versus keep. Oh, growth by Kicksta, which one is better. And some of them they be able to, let's click on this one, they put in their link to the website, so that whenever you click, if you want more information about this program, they will link you to their website. And once you go and reach there, they will maybe leave a link so that you should go there and actually see the full tutorial. So let's see this one. So let's just click on this one, open a new tab, so that I'll show you the what I mean. So let's click on there. So here is Kicksta step is posting this thing. So as you can see here is how the blog post works. So if you want to purchase and etc., so you can just click one of these. You can see down here they say http the blog, as you can see is here, is down, is coming down. So on someone decided to purchase, they will make a commission using their affiliate. So here is the second tutorial, second way to make money online with Kicksta using affiliate marketing. So the third way I think is Quora. You know, Quora is one of the best tools that many affiliate marketers use. Let me go back to my homepage. This is one of my faves. Please go and subscribe to it. It's new. So let's just do what we said by saying Kicksta review. Let's click on enter. So any keyword that's like here, you know, is one of the best websites that you can be able to answer question and ask question in it. So as you can see here is someone that's all here. I think let's click on question. So here are people who are asking about Kicksta. So let's click on it. It will load up. So while it's loading, so here is saying I am looking to use an Instagram growth services. Does anyone have a review of Kicksta? So she is asking that she want to test Kicksta review, or sorry, Kicksta Instagram growth services. So she is asking for the answers of people like we now. Let's say, well, like this person now at the down, she is answering the question that this guy has been asked. She is getting some, but she is bringing some value. She said, I can provide a Kicksta review. I've been using the services for about a year. It's been really successfully with helping me again Instagram followers that aren't spammy accounts or both. And etc. This is how to get value that you can see it even gets 1.9k views. So if you are trying to do like this one is putting is on affiliate marketing, as you can see is on website and the link of the so like how other competitors are doing, you have to do like the same and get, or I should say put some exchanges so that they will not be the same with you. And I recommend you to put only one link in your answers. No matter how long it will take, you just put one answer in it. It will help you a lot, so that you know Quora is one of the platforms that doesn't like posting affiliate in it. So it's all the same with actually Medium. You know, Medium is one of them. So let me click on it. Like it's loading guys. Sorry, it's not Medium. They bring you to my link section now. Let me click on Medium. Here is it. Let me click on it. So boom guys, as I say, Medium is just like Quora, but I think Medium has a problem all the way, but now it's come back. You can be able to make money with Medium if you if someone read your article by either Google SEO, by ranking and etc. So guys, if you get some value in this video guys, I will recommend you to go and subscribe to my channel, watch the video, like the video, share to your friend. If you get some value, implement the strategy. Is now your return. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Bye bye, catch up in the next video.